For tomorrow's physics exam, most important questions I am going to give now. Just remember, from these questions you are going to get nearly 90% questions in question paper. So please prepare these questions for tomorrow's exam. And before giving this one, I am telling you people, best of luck. Now LAQs are there. Explain the formation of transverse wave along the string and define the laws of string. This one is the first question in long. And second one is explain the resonance and harmonics in case of open organ pipe. Third question is explain the resonance and harmonics in case of closed organ pipe. Fourth question is define Kirchhoff's laws and explain the V-Distance bridge concept. Next, final question is explain construction and working of nuclear reactor. So from these 5 questions, you will be able to do 2 questions perfectly. Now here very short questions are there. Short questions are there. First one is the define critical angle and explain the total internal reflection with a diagram. You have to explain. Second question is explain the formation of mirage. Third question, with a neat label diagram, explain the formation of image in simple microscope. Fourth question is explain the Doppler effect in light. Means in light, what is the condition of Doppler effect? Now you have to give the difference between the red shift and blue shift also in case of Doppler effects of light. Next, state and explain Coulomb's law in static electricity. Sixth question, state Gauss law in electrostatic, and you have to explain the importance of this Gauss law in static electricity. Seventh question is derive the equation for the coupling on electric dipole in uniform external electric field. Here external is not written, you must know it is in uniform external electric field. Eighth question is defined intensity of electric field at a point. Means due to the point charge, what is the electric field? That formula you have to derive. Next, ninth question is electric field at a point on equatorial line and axial line, both you have to prepare. Here only equatorial line is written, but according to me, in place of equatorial line, it should be axial line. Why? Because this one is more important than the equatorial line. So electric field due to dipole on axial line at a point P. Next question, 10th question is that derive an expression for the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. Compared to this one, these 2 questions are more important. Means capacitors are connected in series and capacitors are connected in parallel. Compared to this one, these 2 are more important. Means out of these 2, you will get the 1 question. Next, state and explain Bayat and Savart's law. 14th question is state and explain Ampere's circuital law. Means Ampere's law. Next, 15th question is describe the ways in which the eddy current are used. Eddy currents are useful. Means where we are going to use the eddy currents. Next, 16th question, what are the limitations of Bohr's theory and hydrogen atom? This question you already studied in atomic structure in 11th class, so it will be very easy for you. Next, explain the different types of spectral series of hydrogen atom. This one is also first year question from the chemistry atomic structure. So same question, nothing you have to work hard here. What is rectification? Explain the working of full wave rectifier and half wave rectifier. Out of these 2 questions, 1 question you will get. Next, NAND gate and NOR gate you have to define and you have to write the truth table. Truth table is important. Next question is write the truth table of the NAND gate. Already you have studied here, so no need to repeat this one. Just you have to write the difference between the NAND gate and AND gate. That is the extra part. Otherwise, this part and this part is same. Best of luck.